Hello, everyone. Greg here. This episode of the AIPC interviews was done with a fellow in Lagos, Nigeria, and he was a hard fellow to track down because he's pretty busy. But we managed to get the interview done. It's a short one, and it was raining where he was, so he had to find a place where the sound of the rain wasn't interfering too badly. But we made it work, and I hope you enjoy the show. This was as you'll hear in the podcast, a collaboration through Dayflash. And Dayflash is growing in its community and the users and whatnot. So they're really promoting a collaboration feature, which is a really nice way to meet other artists and photographers and work together on different projects. So with my presence on Dayflash, my way of collaborating is through this podcast, where I can give people the chance to talk about themselves and give an idea of what they do and whatnot. And with my guest on this show, he's kind of into a lot of things, and but iPhone photography is definitely one of them. So I hope you enjoy this interview, and thanks for listening. Welcome to the AIPC interviews, where I talk to members of the Artful Life photography community, among others, about them. It is July 8th, 2020, and in this episode, I'm speaking with a photographer I met on Dayflash through the collaboration feature. Welcome, Taiwo Oyedele from Nigeria, from Lagos, Nigeria. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you for having me on your platform. It's great to be here.
Yeah. So as everybody can hear, it's raining over there right now. But that's okay.
Like,
we will get through this. So we met each other through Dayflash, which is a big up and coming platform for photographers to share their work. And first of all, what drew you to Dayflash?
Dayflash, I think actually I got an email from the Dayflash community, I think from Sarah. I can't remember her name. Yeah, so I think they saw some of my pictures on Instagram, and they invited me to download the app on the store and try it out. Yeah, so when I got on the app, I was like, fascinated at the picture, and I met a lot of other photographers and photographers, so I was interested in the app. Yeah, so that was how I became, a member of the Dayflash app, and it's been great.
Yeah, that's about the same for me. Yeah. Okay, so how did you start getting how did you get started in taking pictures with your iPhone?
Oh, okay. I've been taking pictures even before I started, even before I had a phone, you know. But of course, they were not as good as they look right now. And I think I started taking pictures with my mom's phone. I think back in 2010, 2011. It was a small. It wasn't an Android. It was a small phone with buttons. But I've always loved taking pictures, just randomly at things that catch my attention and stuff.
Yeah.
So as I grew older, I started. And when I had my first phone, it was an Android phone. I started taking more pictures. I I rarely take pictures of myself, but I like taking pictures of things and nature and stuff that I find good. Looking fascinating, and stuff like that.
Yeah, so just whatever catches your eye, then, eh?
Yeah, and so when I got my first iPhone, which is the iPhone 6s that I still use right now, which I used to take all of my pictures, that I put on Dayflash. You know, when I got the iPhone, and I was checking online to see. I used to edit the pictures with the iPhone edit feature and stuff. So, and one day I came across the app Lightroom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I tried it out and it was great. So I started editing the pictures with the Lightroom, and it's been interesting and fun since then. So
Yeah. Now I'm looking at your Instagram feed here, and one of my favorites that you've done is the traffic in Lagos.
mm, yeah,
That's really cool. It really shows, um, it just shows what it looks like to be over there in Lagos in Nigeria. I mean, I'm in Canada, so I don't get to see this kind of thing that often. Um, and there's also a picture of it looks like a woman holding her coat or something up over her head, and it's raining really hard. So that kind of reminds me of maybe what it's like there right now.
surely.
So yeah, these are really really interesting images that you have on your feed here,
Thank
and
you.
and you have a lot of different styles of images. Like there's a nice close up of a spider. You have one of a
Yeah.
model. Some architecture, so it looks like you're really exploring just about anything. So that's really cool.
Yeah.
So you're using Lightroom. Are you using Lightroom to actually take the pictures, or just do the editing?
I actually started using Lightroom I use Lightroom only for editing. So I take the pictures with the phone's camera.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I put them into the Lightroom, and I do what I can to make them look better and clearer.
And
So
is Lightroom the only app you use, or do you use any others?
no, I use Lightroom to edit, and sometimes I use the Photoshop Express, which is also one of the Adobe apps for the watermark. But I don't always watermark. But as I started editing, people who saw the pictures were like, "Oh, you should start watermarking your pictures because they look good."
Oh yeah.
In case, yeah. So I started watermarking them with the Photoshop Express.
And okay. And any others at all, or
No, I don't
no?
use any other
Pretty. It's a pretty simple workflow then. So that's all right. I mean that works. So, um, how long have you been using your iPhone? Can't remember if you mentioned that or not.
I've been using the iPhone since 2018.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 2018. So
And
yeah,
do you
I
have your
guess
photos in? Oh, go ahead.
yeah, I guess I started like 2018 stroke 19. Yeah, that was when I got a phone out in Lagos. Yeah, so yeah.
Oh yeah. Do you have your photos anywhere else other than Instagram and Dayflash?
Mm, I got some of my pictures on Twitter. Yeah, and that's the only places I put my pictures on. And sometimes I just upload once in a while on my Facebook. You know, just a few on there.
Oh, I see in the Instagram profile there's pixels.com.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry about it. I'm not really into the pixels thing, but I just trying to look for ways I can maybe make a little money out of the pictures. I came across the pixels, and I went on there, explored, and I see that a lot of photographers out there, try to put their pictures on it, and they use it for the the company makes it into designs and stuff, for people to
Oh yeah.
buy and order and download. So I was like, okay, let me just give it a try. Yeah, so
And are you having any success with that at all?
not yet. My pictures there. Sometimes I get viewers from different parts of the world and stuff, but I've never gotten any sales yet.
Okay. Well, I'll put a link to that in the show notes where maybe a few people can see that and maybe get a few more people having a look at them.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Um, so just to maybe get a little off track here, maybe give a little bit of background on yourself, like what you do, because I know we tried to hook up last night, and you were doing some filming.
Yes.
Yeah. So
So
what kind of work do you do there?
um, I I started I see taking pictures and all that for I see it as an hobby. Because I'm actually an artist. I'm into music. You know, I'm a rapper, singer, songwriter. You
Oh,
know,
cool.
and I also right now I'm working as a filmmaker. I started in 2017. Yeah, so but I'm working on you know creating this to start my music career in the beat. So so I shoot musical videos mostly. I've
Oh
shot a
yeah.
couple of musical videos, yeah, and I'm into focus pulling on set.
Mm-hmm.
I'm tech, um, camera assistant, and all that. So
Yeah. So you're just kind of learning the ropes about everything, and
yeah,
yeah,
because yeah, everything pays. No knowledge is lost. So
yeah. Well, that's cool. Because when we were talking last night, it sounded like there was a lot of things going on. So,
yeah, I was on set
sounds like
actually.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
sounds
was the focus puller on set, so I had to make sure everything was sharp and stuff. So yeah,
oh yeah,
yes.
yeah, cool. Is there anywhere where you'd like to see your photography go? Like you want to really expand your music career and whatnot, but do you want to take your photography anywhere special, or are you just happy with what you're doing with it?
I don't mind taking my whether the photography and the music like to any extent, because I believe that whatever I do with my skills is worth it. You understand? Like
Yeah.
even when I start my career, I'm still going to be a photographer. I'm still going to be a filmmaker. Nobody's side. So everything is still working hand in hand.
Yeah. So, um, sounds to me like you are just, you're just an artist, like in general. Like you just, you like a lot of different forms of art, but uh, yeah, you want to, just see where it goes.
Mm.
So, uh, okay. Well, do you have a a website or anything where people can find you? Because with Dayflash, they pretty well have to just know your username, and I'll put that in the show notes as well. But do you
Okay.
have an Insta or we'll put your Instagram account in the show notes. But do you have anything like a website where like you showcase maybe your music or anything?
Not yet. I only right now. I'm currently on just Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah, and
Okay.
Dayflash for the photography and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll put your Twitter on there too.
Oh,
And
okay. Great.
um, yeah. Well, it sounds like you're progressing well with everything, and um,
Thanks.
it's a kind of a short interview for you, but I'm glad we were able to finally get you sitting down long enough to talk, because it sounds like you're a pretty busy fella.
Yes.
And So what we'll do too is we will make sure that we get this on like links to this podcast. We'll put them on Twitter and share. I'll even share something through Dayflash to let them know that this is part of a collaboration on Dayflash. So that's a real big thing. That's a real big thing that Dayflash is pushing, is collaborating, and this is a great way to prove that the collaboration features work. So it's been really great talking to you, Taiwo, and I wish you all the success. Wish you all the success in your music and everything else that you're doing, and I look forward to seeing more of your stuff on Instagram and Dayflash.
Oh, great! Thank you. It's a pleasure being on your podcast interview. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and I think
sorry, I had a collaboration with Jerry sometime ago on Dayflash.
Yeah.
So she sent me this picture of the email. So I edited it with Lightroom. And, she was happy and stuff. And, it was cool because it was a sunset picture that she had taken. And, when I liked the feature, the collaboration feature on her page, she sent me the picture and I did it. And I sent it back to our email. And
cool.
It was great. Yeah.
Well, tell you what, after we're finished doing the actual program part here, we'll go back onto the Skype chat, and I'll get your email address, and I'll give you my email address, and I'll send you a picture to do as well.
All right.
And I'd really like to see your take on one of my pictures. So we'll do that. And we'll put that on Dayflash as well, and just we'll do another collaboration.
All right, great.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll let you go then, and I thank you for your time, and it was a pleasure getting to know you a little better. And
my pleasure.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you on Dayflash.
Surely. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Taiwo. Take care.
Yeah, take care too. Thank you.